Hola mi gente bella y bienvenidos a mi canal. My name is Sandra. If this is your first time here, and welcome to my channel. In this channel, you'll be learning and I'll be teaching everything high-end or luxury candle making business tips. So in today's video, it's going to be a quick one. I know a lot of the videos that I start off with is going to be a quick one and then it ends up being like a 30-minute video, but this time it's for real. It's going to be a quick video. In this video, we're going to be watching me package and order, and I only did one because I wanted it to be short and not extremely long. So in this video I'm going to show you how I package, what I put inside my packaging, and how everything looks so nice, so luxurious. And let's see me pack and order. So before I even start with doing the orders, what I like to do is clean off the candle jar itself, or the product, whatever product that I am going to put in the shipment order. So at this time, while I'm doing this, I'm actually checking to make sure that the name of the product that the customer ordered is correct. And this is, if my camera could focus, okay, so this is the correct one, Energize My Soul, and this is the 6 ounce that was ordered. And at the same time as I'm doing that, as well as looking for the name, the correct size item that the customer ordered, I also look to make sure that the warning label is also at the bottom of the jar, just to make sure, because I make these in a bunch and I don't necessarily put the warning labels at the bottom for every single candle. So that's why I am actually doing this at the same time. So then now I'm going to put this to the side, and I'm going to the actual candle box that comes with the purchase. And this is the box that it comes in. It is a very sturdy box itself. I hope this camera, there it is. So this is my business name, obviously, Aroma and Roses Candle Co. And this is the outside of the box, which is the front side of the box. And then all the way around is a white box. And in the inside, we have the EVA Insert. But this box serves for 3 boxes that I have, 3 candle sizes that I have, my 16 ounce, my 8 ounce, and the 6 ounce. So the difference is that the EVA insert fits different sizes. So this one was for the 8 ounce candle that I have, and I'm going to switch it off to the 6 ounce candle EVA insert, and you can see the difference. The top one is the 8 ounce, and then the bottom one is the 6 ounce, and you could see how the hole is a little bit smaller for the 6 ounce. So we're going to put the 8 ounce to the side, and we're going to put this one inside. And as we're putting it in here, we're going to make sure that the candle fits exactly, perfectly inside of the box itself. And this is very sturdy. And as you can see, I'm going to tip it over and it does not come out. So this is what we're going to do. And then we're going to put the lid back on the box. And at the same time, I'm going to wrap the box in bubble wrap, and I'm doing this for 2 reasons. Reason number 1 is because when I was moving, I had a lot of bubble wrap and I have a lot more to go, and I didn't want to toss it away. So that's why I'm using it in my products. And the other reason is because I don't want it to move around too much and to look all, messed up inside of the UPS box. So this is why I am wrapping it in here. And we're going to take that off with tape just to secure the openings or the loose ends. Okay, so this part right here is not the pretty part. This is going to be the conventional part, just to keep everything safe and sound during transit. We don't want anything to be moving or anything to be broken. Oh shoot, it got stuck. Okay, so everything is wrapped up, and we're going to put this to the side, and then we're going to move on to the next item that goes inside of my package. And this is the next item that I put for free in my shipping boxes when I ship to my customers, and this is room spray. And I find it that is a lot beneficial for people to give to your customers something that they can actually use, because I figured that a lot of candle makers put in a free wax melt in their packaging to their customers, but they fail to realize that not everybody has a free, or not free, but they don't have a melter at home, or they don't particularly use it. So this is why I rather put in something that they can use. And this is an actual room spray that can serve as also as a perfume. And serving it as a perfume, you can actually put it on your skin, because it is safe to use on your skin. It is safe to use on your furniture, and it smells amazing. And this is our lavender scent, and this is for sale in our store. So I'm going to put this in this plastic bag that I got from Amazon, and it was, I believe, a free item. I tried to return it, but they said that because it was addressed to me that I should keep it, so I kept it, and now I'm actually using it, and it came in handy for this item. So I'm also going to put this card that I had made from my supplier. Look at that. Look how nice this looks. And it has a nice message on the back pertaining to the free gift. And because I don't want this to move around everywhere in this bag, I'm going to put in a glue dot on the back of it so that I could stick it to the bag. These are a little tricky because you have to make sure that it sticks, which is trying not to stick. Unstick, I should say. Okay, perfect. So now let's try to squeeze it all the way to the bottom without it getting stuck into the bag before I even put it in there. Perfect. Okay, so now we press it and we squeeze out all the air in here. And we put it to the side. We're going to add that to our bag box as well. So the next thing that I add to the box is this. So this is another card that I had made, and it has, if this camera could focus, that'll be great. Awesome. So this has my logo at the bottom, A&R, Aroma and Roses, and my signature circle of leaf and or heart, whatever you want to put it that way. So this is my thank you stamp, which I got from Michael's, and this is my gold stamper, and I got this from Amazon. So what I'm going to do is just squeeze, make sure that the ink is in here, and then press it on the paper. Perfect. And then close this off just so that I won't have my stamp get dry. And this is what the thank you looks like. So this is my care card, and this is the one that I got made from U Printing, and this was what before that I figured out that it was way cheaper to get it from Alibaba. So that's why the back is in black ink, because they only do the gold stamping on one side of the card, and it was only, I believe, 20% of the card has to be in gold stamping. So this is why I only had this in the front and nothing in the back, because they would not do the back. So anyways, and if they would have, it probably would have been way too much money for what I could afford. So this is why I only had it in the front, and then the back of the card is the information for the next purchase, a discount card, and what you should do to take care of your candle. So this here is my card. And this also goes to the side because one more item has to go inside of my box. Okay, the next thing that goes inside of the box, and I'm not going to open this, is the invoice. And then the invoice includes the item which was ordered. It also includes a picture of the item that was ordered. It also includes the ship to and bill to name and address. And this is also going to go inside of the box. But before we put everything inside of the box, we are going to make sure that the name, the address, and also the item that was ordered is correct in here, so that I could send it to the right person and match the address to the packing's UPS or USPS, which was paid for, shipping label. And this will be the shipping label. So I'm not going to show you that too much because I don't want the address to be shown. So, and this is my long list to make sure that I have everything that is supposed to go in the box inside of the box. So, and a lot of the steps that are inside of my packing orders checklist is things that is not going to go in this order, but I've written it down just to make sure that all of these information, it is correct, it is in place, and it is going to where it needs to go. So I'm going to be skipping a lot, but I'm going to make sure that all of the items that I need to go inside of my shipping box is in here. So this right here is my shipping box, and this one is for USPS, and this was the shipping that was paid for, and this is what I'm going to be using. So the first item on my list is the invoice, and the invoice goes in the box. And actually, I should be checking the name, because that's what my list says to do. To check the name, which is checked, the address, which is also checked, and to make sure that the item description matches what the customer ordered, and it does, so it goes inside of my box. The next thing that goes in the box is my care card that goes inside of the box. The next thing that goes in the box is my thank you card, and that also goes inside of the box. The next thing that goes inside of the box is my free gift. And on my list, I have to make sure that I put everything that was supposed to be on the candle itself, such as the lid, the label, and the warning sticker was on the bottom of the jar, and that is what I have on my list, and I have already did all of that. And the last thing to do now inside of the box is to put the main prize, which is the candle that was purchased. And the smart thing to do is to put packing peanuts in the box. And the packing peanuts that I got is from Candle Signs, that I made a purchase from Candle Signs, and I have a lot of packing peanuts. And the good thing is that these are biodegradable and they are reusable if you are going to be reusing them at home. So I keep those, and I have a lot so that I won't have to buy. So we're gonna pack everything in here with some packing peanuts. Make sure that everything in here is tight and tight. Nothing is moving. This is the perfect sound you want to have when you ship your orders. Nothing needs to be moving. And we're going to put some more on the top so that when I seal it, nothing moves. And now the last piece of information before we put the label on it is this fragile sticker. So I got this from USPS, and it's special handling, fragile, and I don't remember how much I paid for this, but it's very inexpensive. And I will hope that because this came from the USPS label company, the customers, well, the workers will take extra care of my package because I actually have a USPS special handling with the emblem and logo of USPS. And we're going to put this in 2 spots because I want them to see it so that they know, hey, this is special. And then the last thing that's going to go on here is the label, but I'm going to do that off camera. So let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and let me know what you thought about my packaging. Did I miss anything, or should I have added more stuff? I know that I added only 1 care card, and I wanted to reduce the amount of paper that I use, and I was glad that I was also able to have that free little plastic thing. But as long as I run out of those, I don't think I'm going to be ordering that plastic baggie, because I'm trying to reduce the amount of non-reusable items that I have in my packaging. And although you can reuse that little plastic bag, but I don't see me purchasing that or me actually using it. But since it was for free, so that's why I included it in the packaging. So let me know what you thought about my packaging. Let me know if you want to see another packaging video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell because it does assist me with the YouTube algorithm, and it also helps other candle makers find my video. So hasta la próxima. Bye, mi gente bella.